Graph y equals negative 3 halves x. Identify the y-intercept. Well, we can think of y equals negative 3 halves x as y equals negative 3 halves x plus 0. This equation is written in the form y equals mx plus b, and that tells us then that the y-intercept is 0, 0, that 0 is the second coordinate of the y-intercept. So I have the point 0, 0, and this is the y-intercept, abbreviating intercept. Now let's find two other points on the line, and then we can draw the graph. Let's let x be negative 2. I'm choosing multiples of 2 because I have a fraction here, and so it will simplify nicely when I make the substitution. When x is negative 2, I get negative 3 halves times negative 2, which is equal to 3. So that gives us the point negative 2, 3. And let's let x be 2. When x is 2, I have negative 3 halves times 2, which is equal to negative 3. So that gives me a third point, 2, negative 3. Now let's plot these points. We have 0, 0. We have negative 2, 3, and we have 2, negative 3. And we'll draw the line that contains those 3 points. And we'll label it with the equation y equals negative 3 halves x.